Now it's time to make a quick recap of all the lessons. First, as soon as you find out about a stock, take a quick look at it. It can be either in a video, or you read it, or you heard it from me, but as soon as you find out, guys, just watch a video about the stock or read a description about the stock. Next, if you like it, go in deep. For example, here you need of course to read the annual report. You need to have the long-term vision we talked about. This is very important. You can also do some mathematical analysis using the discounted cash flow, for example. There is a lot of stuff to do here, so take time because this is one of the most important things to do. Next, be ready to discuss the stock and read news. I always believe that you can listen to other people's opinion as long as they are safe, and I love Seeking Alpha for that. Also read news every time, because in this way you will learn a lot about the news, about their innovations. You can use Yahoo Finance for this. So take your time to do that. If you decide to buy, enter the position with a small amount at first, because you don't want to enter with all your money. You know the stock will swing a lot, it will go down many times, and you want to seize that opportunity to buy more at a cheaper price. Be careful to avoid greed and fear. Use your mind so that you can relax. Maybe you can even meditate. This was one of the first lessons we did, because you need to understand how important it is to avoid that. The relax method I taught you. Repeat yourself to stay relaxed, and you will be fine. Just use some reminders and you'll be fine. Buy more every time you read minus 15-20%. This is the power of the average down. Needless to say, this is how you make the big money by using the long-term investing method, by averaging down. So powerful, guys. It made me so much money. Next, know when to sell. You need, of course, to know when to sell. That is why I always say read and go in deep in the stock, because if you don't know about that, you don't know about innovations and news, you won't know when to sell. 8. Enjoy your money. Trust me, if you do all this, you stay relaxed, you do the research, you will make a lot of money. This is happening to me right now, and I know some people who make a lot of money in the stock market. I think it's a lot safer than other stuff. You never know when that huge opportunity is out, because yes, you will make a lot of money with a huge opportunity. Bitcoin was a huge opportunity. Now there are also many great opportunities. With experience you will seize all that. You never know when it will happen, but stay focused every time.